Why is it whenever I do one of these videos, it decides to pour down with rain? But here we go. So I want to tell you about a series we've got coming up in Activate called The Source of True Courage, and it's lessons from the life of Esther. I'm just negotiating the mud. Beth is a girl who was in Mandy's youth group, and there's 3 of them in the series. They're totally free. Just go onto our vlogs and they're there. A bit of her talk, she talks about finding courage in difficult situations and about how Esther had to step out and find real courage. And it really spoke to me because she talked about praying dangerous prayers, praying prayers that are not easy to pray. And it reminded me of a series we did a while ago called Dangerous Women, and we've done lots of them with lots of women from all over the country where they've stood up and stood out and say, I'm going to change something that's happening in my area. So really take time to have a listen to those, and if you've got a group, why don't you get them together on Zoom and listen to it together, answer some of the questions. I can't wait to see you actually again in person, which according to our new roadmap could happen quite soon. See you soon.